CEA in just a bit, but Wipro and Persistent are also in focus on the back of fresh brokerage calls. Earnings came through. One is up, the other is down. Reema, tell us more.
Well, let's start with Wipro. Two reasons. One, the stock had run up a lot. In June, at the beginning of June, the stock price was 440. As of last week, the stock price exceeded 570. So in a span of 45 days, the stock had moved up 30%. So that's the backdrop of the stock price performance. Then came the earnings disappointment. Q1 marked the 6th consecutive quarter of an earnings miss. The expectation was that things are reviving, but it hasn't shown up yet. And even the Q2 guidance at -1% to +1% suggests that at least as of now, there is no recovery in sight. Kotak says valuations are expensive. It's trading at 21 times forward multiple, no margin of safety. UBS says the Q2 guidance suggests delayed conversion of large deals, which will remain a drag on growth, resulting in Wipro dragging peers. But then there are the believers. It's always a bull versus bear. And on the bullish side, you've got Nomura with the target price of 600 and CLSA at 588. Now, if you remember, Persistent was the big casualty on Friday because the street was concerned about the margin performance and the outlook there. But today, the stock has bounced back. Motilal Oswal has upgraded the stock to a buy. Now they're saying the valuations of Persistent are at 40 times. But they believe that there is still valuation upside from here. And according to them, the target price values Persistent at 50 times forward multiple. That, according to them, is the fair value for Persistent, 50 times forward multiple. And it's the EPS growth of 25% which justifies the premium valuation. But Kotak has downgraded Persistent Systems to a sell. Their target price is all the way down, 4,140. They say the sharp movement in the stock price over the last few weeks has led to the stock trading at lofty valuations close to peak levels. So it's the valuation argument both ways. Motilal Oswal believes there is still some upside for valuations to re-rate. Kotak says valuations are at a peak and therefore might come down. Dipan, come in on Persistent Systems. And what about Wipro? There was so much hope built up in the stock price in the run-up to the number.